This is a Manhattan.
Close the doors, please.
This is a Manhattan fast.
Where's she at? Where's she at? That's not weird. No.
Are you famous? Hi. Oh my god, are you famous? So we don't know you from
famous.
YouTube.
Come on, just say hi.
You're so famous. Say some jokes.
My life is a joke. I was trying to be David Dobrik, like. Babes. Sloomoo, here we come.
Sloomoo, here we go. What?
Here, oh right, here we go. We're almost to Sloomoo. If you guys can see in the very far, that's Sloomoo. Okay, so we just got here. This is the window, and that's how much views I have. So I'm making slime here, and this girl comes up to me and said, "What?" You're Stella?
Yeah. I'm Addie.
Hi.
We're all best friends.
Oh, welcome to Sloomoo, guys. Thank you for coming. Alright, so we just finished some slimes. We made Radioactive and Juniors and a few of those DIY slimes that will be on display soon. And we're going to get lunch now. These are all the slimes I just made. Can't wait. You trying to cop?
Hell no.
Guys, imagine this was a slime pop-up shop. Elaine, do you want to do a pop-up shop in here? Slime pop-up shop.
Oh, it's nice.
Let's do it.
Dude, we should.
Are you gonna rent it out?
Rent it. What do you do to your hair that makes it like that?
I put bleach on it.
Golden hour. I can't see.
Lost.
Elaine, where are you taking us? Are you trying to kidnap us?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're at the DIY bar and you get to choose from these textures. And we're gonna go on to the next station. I usually get the Oreo one, so I'm gonna go with the Oreo.
Alright, so this is a clear slime. So you'll pick this color.
Can I get neon pink and neon yellow?
I'll do half and half of it so it doesn't mess up too bad,
Okay.
but it's not gonna show up pink or yellow.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. So next we're gonna go on to putting the charms in the slime. Can I get number 27? 3 charms. Okay, so obviously we're gonna go ahead and inflate this.
And yo, look at mine. Mine's like Animal Farm. This is me.
Okay, here's something else. Whoa! I'm dead. My jeans be like.